Hey everyone, my name is Raj Singh and I've created a alarm clock project using basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's dive into the functionality of the code. Here as you can see there is a current clock which shows the current time and using these we can set an alarm. Let me set an alarm. Okay, so as you can see we have set an alarm which is showing right here. Uh, for after 5 seconds it is going to ring and as you can see this is ringing and saying hey it is the current time showing here. Okay, so let's create and it start ringing, so let's stop the clock. Let's stop the alarm. As you can see it has stopped. So here we can set multiple alarms. Set alarm and let me set another alarm. As you can see we have clicked 55, so we value must be less than or equal to 23. As you can see we cannot put any value here also, so let me just correct it and let's say 12. Okay, so we have set the alarm at 12 and it says alarm for 12 are already set. Okay, so we cannot set alarm which is already set. Okay, so let me just show it. Okay, so let us just change the time of like 12 or minute, and as you can see we have added another alarm. So let me just delete it. We can delete it using this delete button like this. Okay, so for creating this project I have divided it into three major parts. The first part is where we can see the current time, and the second part where we can set the alarm, and the third part where you can see the added alarms or upcoming alarms and delete it using the delete button as I have already shown you. Okay, now let's dive into the functionality of the code. Here is the code for my HTML part. This div is used to show the current time. As you can see I have also named it time display and clock. Okay, and this form is used to add the alarm, and this div is used to show the upcoming alarms and delete it. Now let's here we have made some basics of CSS file uh, by which our project looks colorful and good. And here is my JavaScript file. Uh, to create this project, we have defined some variables here and created some functions. For like these functions is used to play the audio of the alarm, and this function this function from till here, this function is used to show the current time, and here we have set a function by which if it's AM it shows different background color and it's if PM it shows different background color. We have called the ringing function here, and this function is updating the time every second. Okay, and here this we have made the add alarm and clear alarm function. Okay, this function this whole function is showing the alarm and adding it to the HTML part. As you can see we have created a it uh, when we add we have not created in the HTML like a whole uh, added alarms, but in JS we have made it if we add alarms it goes to the HTML and shows it there. Okay, and we have added the function to delete the alarms also here. Okay, and we have called the update time function every second here. That's all.